Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks. There's Wyatt over there. Zena's here. You can only see her bum at the moment. I'm Laura. If you're new to my channel, so happy you're here. Hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe and hang out with us. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. For today, my winter Decocrated box is here. What? I am so excited. Love the home decor in Decocrated. They have the most beautiful collections and they are always cohesive from season to season. They generally give you a few seasonal pieces as well as regular home decor items, and I have their home decor all through my home, from the bathroom to the kitchen to my office to my living room to my bedroom. Everywhere I have home decor from Decocrated. Absolutely love their collections. So we're going to dig in. This is the Winter 2021 collection. It's all about Winter Wonderland. Yes, we're getting into that time. So let's dig right in. This is a seasonal subscription box. Does come 4 times a year each season to get you ready and give you just a little bit of that refresh each and every season. It is $79.99 per season. You can also choose to buy it quarterly, or buy it annually, and then you'll save you a little bit of money. I will put all that information down below for you, as well as I have a code and a discount code, and we'll cover that at the end. All right, so as soon as I open it, here's what I see. It says, welcome to winter time. It says, welcome in the season by making your very own winter wonderland in the comfort of your home. Pair seasonal patterns and accent pieces to achieve a whimsical winter space. All right, this is going to be fun, right? Everything is always packed so perfectly inside this box. You won't believe how much is going to come out of it. They always give you an envelope that will tell you about the pieces inside your box. And generally always an art print that will come in here as well. This time is no different. So here it is. It says happy holidays on one side and baby is cold outside on the other. And this will go right inside. They have now sent a little frame with a little clip, and you can swap out your art in that little frame whenever you like. And each season they send new art, and it's always two-sided. Usually one for the for the fall box, I think they had 2 different options. One more Halloween-y and one more fallish, but they also had the Halloween box, which had 2 options in it as well, which I love. They do have add-on boxes. So those are $39.99 when you pre-order them, and they have those 4 times a year as well. So the Christmas box is coming up. Make sure you pre-order that. They sell out pretty quickly, $39.99. And you get 4 or 5 items in those as well, and they are pretty awesome. Hopefully you caught my Halloween box. You get a sense of what those look like. All right, let's do this. First up, looks like pillow coverings. I always love the pillow coverings. Those are an easy way. Zena's getting a little antsy because I'm making so much noise, but those are an easy way to just swap out the look in your home. Change out your pillows, right? And I like that you can just swap out the covering, fill out the filler, easy. I got 2 of them here. So these are double-sided little pillows. One side has more of a seasonal with a little leafy print, and the other side is a plaid, black and white. So you almost have more Christmassy, or you have more traditional that would go from any season and fit anywhere. And I have 2 of them. I actually like these 2 together as well. And let me find in my book here. So they always give you a book, like I said, that tells you all about the items inside. And they always offer up the most amazing pictures that show you how they have decorated with the items. They will tell you usually about the art as well. So here's the art print. And they show you how they will decorate with it. inside the book. It says the double-sided 4x6 art print welcomes in the winter season. One side celebrates the winter holiday with a botanical design, while the other is a quote, "Baby, it's cold outside. Pair our postcard through the winter season with our spring 2021 clip frame to add it to your winter decor." And if you haven't seen that, here's a picture of that clip frame. Okay. The Evergreen pillows, it says, as we welcome a new season, it's time to change up our pillows. In this season's box, you'll find a set of 2 double-sided fabric throw pillows to add to your winter decor. One side features the Evergreen design with a classic green. The other side is a modern style plaid in black and white. So couch or bin, here's a couple ways that they've decorated with it. That looks nice with the stockings, right? Okay. We're going to keep going here. Okay, wait till you see this. First item. This is so pretty. I love things like this. Oh, so pretty. I'm making such a mess. Cena's like hiding now underneath. I have clothes hanging and she is now hanging underneath them, trying to get away from all the noise. Look at this wreath. Is this not gorgeous? So it does have a hook here so you can hang this. And then look how pretty. The pine cones, this whole faux evergreen here wreath is just gorgeous. I love the details in this wreath. You could even add to it if you wanted, but this is gorgeous. So they say this is the faux winter wreath. Time to start bringing the winter vibes into your home. This season, add in your faux winter wreath to bring in the holiday spirit to full circle. This wreath is a perfect addition to your fireplace, mantle, or front door. I love this. This is gorgeous. What do you think, Wyatt? Do you like this? I think it's gorgeous. Love. We're going to set that right there and you can take a look at it, buddy. Here is a few ways that they used it, hanging on a wall here. And I love it here, hanging, looks like almost in like the entryway. So nice. They have these several items from prior boxes here. So this is from a prior box. This little throws from a prior box. Yeah. This picture from a prior box. Love that. Okay, we're going to keep going. So much. All right, what's next? These boxes are always so much fun. They're just enough to, like I said, give you that refresh and not enough like where you feel like you need to completely redo your home decor, right? Just enough. Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. These are little wooden and cut out little wooden animals. Here's the first one. How adorable is that? Love. That is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Check out the bear. I love these. These will go so well with the trees from last year, I believe it was. The wooden trees from, or the, I think it was, they've done wooden trees. They've done the wooden buildings. Look at the bunny. That is so adorable. I love those. Yeah. Let's see what it says about them. Says the Woodland animals. Add a whimsical touch to your home this winter by adding winter animals to your decor. Our set of 3 woodland animals look great placed on a tiered tray or wall shelf. Your pick. The set includes a polar bear, fox, and squirrel with a driftwood finish. Get decorating. Okay, so this is a squirrel, a polar bear, a fox, and a squirrel. Yeah. I called it a bunny. Sorry. It's a squirrel. I see that now. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, so here's how they show it decorating with them. That is very pretty. Here as well, with the little pillow in the background. And then up here, it looks like this one's in a kitchen. I see several pieces from prior collections in here as well. All right, I see. There's a definite theme going on here, right? So it looks like they have kind of like an evergreen woodland kind of theme going on here that I really like it. It's a bit whimsical as well. All right, what else have we got? There's still more. Wyatt's sticking it out with me, even though I'm getting a bit wild. Huh, Wyatt? It's getting wild. What's this? Looks like a tray. Oh, check this out. It's like a wood and metal tray. That is really nice. I love a tray. And this one is nice. So it has the metal here in the middle. It does have the little holes for the handle for you to easily carry it. That is nice. It's sturdy too. So you can tell this is real wood. It's got weight behind it. It is not light like particle board. Like this has weight behind it. I'm going to put this right here at the moment so you guys can see it. I'm going to move this off to the side so it's not leaning on all the pretty leafery there. Leafery? I don't think that's a word. I'm going to say foliage. The winter tray. Looking for a place to display all your favorite winter decor pieces? Try our wood and metal tray. This decorative wood tray has a driftwood finish with a black metal accent, perfect for any home style. Display this tray on a coffee or entryway table. What more do you need? So I love this with the little ladder from the fall box, and they have it here in the kitchen. And then it looks like they do have it. This is also in the kitchen. This looks like an entryway. Looks like a living room. Several different ways here to display it. Here's the little houses and some of the trees I was talking about. I love these from the prior boxes. I love their decor. I can't wait to get these out. I do love this look. So this was from the fall box, these little candle holders. And then I love how they have it here on the tray with the little woodland animals from this box. How cute is that? All right, and I've got one more. I always love the collections. This is a much more neutral collection as well, which is kind of nice. Ooh, check this out. What is this, Wyatt? This looks nice. Oh, check this out. So this is like wall art. So it had styrofoam behind it, and it's a little cutout, a wood little cutout here. But this is like sturdy. You don't have to worry about it. It's not like, it almost looks like a paper stencil, but it's not. I love the detail in here. And you could put any kind of coloring behind it if you wanted to, and swap this out for any room in your house, right? You could add a color behind this if you wanted to, or just put it on any wall and use that background. This is so pretty. I guess I was showing you the wrong side, right? So here is the hooks. There's two hooks, and obviously it's white for winter. But again, you could put any backdrop that you wanted. Like the wood finish, you could also paint this if you wanted to. Make it your own color. That's pretty. I like that. What do you think of that one, Wyatt? That's very different. So that one is called the Evergreen Wall Art. So it's time to change up your wall decor to ring in the winter season. Add our Evergreen laser cut wall decor to hang on your wall or position against a wall with other winter pieces. With a clean white finish and framed in wood with a light driftwood finish, it is perfect to pair with our wood metal tray instead of 3 winter animals. So I like it here. They have like foliage in front of it, so it's just propped, or they have it hanging over here. And you can get all kinds of ideas from their Facebook page. Lots of ways that people share ideas for how to get creative with the pieces in the Decocrated boxes. This was a fun collection. I loved it, but I have always enjoyed the Decocrated collections. Every time they come, I'm super excited. Kind of gets me in the mood to do a quick refresh in my house, and always feels like I'm kind of livening it up a bit, right? Each and every season. All right. That's everything. I enjoyed this. Within the book, they will give you more ideas for how you can decorate. Tell you as you go on within the pages, it shares more about the winter collection. And there is a deco shop they'll tell you about. So once you're a member, you can actually shop their deco shop, which has all kinds of additional home decor pieces that you can check out. And they have beautiful pieces in there. I have shared some of those pieces in separate videos as well. All right, that's everything. Here's just some ideas of what those may look like. So many beautiful pieces. If you like home decor, you'll love this box. All right, well, that is a wrap on the winter box. What did you think? Please do comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Please hit that like if you did. I do have a discount code for you if you would like to give this subscription a try. LBOH15 for a little box of happy. So LBOH15 will get you $15 off your first box, whether you choose the seasonal subscription or the annual subscription. I'll put all that information down below for you. Don't forget, the Christmas box is going to be ready soon. In fact, I think it might be ready for pre-sale right now, $39.99. So if you want to grab the Christmas box, make sure you do that now before it sells out. Usually 4 or 5 items, just perfect for Christmas. I have seen a preview and they look really good. All right. Please hit that like before you go. Would love you hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.